Hi, I just wanted to quickly go over how the power setting on this microwave works in a way that was very unexpected for me. Um, so, when you select one of these power levels, I thought that you'd be able to start the microwave using this 30-second button, but you can't. You have to use the dial, and then it'll let you start it. You can also add time using the 30-second button, but you can't start it. Now, once I've pressed cancel to totally clear what was on the display, now I can start it using that button. But what you might not realize is, regardless of what power setting you had selected here, um, if you press the cancel button to clear the time, then the microwave will run at 100% power that whole time. So even though I have 50% powers selected here, if I now run it, it's going to run at full power for the full 30 seconds. And that's true even if I added another 30 seconds. So that's something to be aware of. That definitely kind of took away the advantage of having a hardware selector for the power level, at least for me. Um, Another thing to know about this microwave is that it has the regular pulse modulation inverter, where it to run at 50% power, it's going to run at full power for 50% of the time. It's not going to genuinely run the inverter at a lower power level. So another thing that was surprising is this depressing yellow light that it has inside. You can see how yellow and weird that bowl looks. Look what the true color of the bowl is. So I don't really care for that light myself, but it is very dim, so it's going to be less intrusive at night. Another couple things I do like about this microwave is the fact that it has a handle means that you can close it and open it much more quietly than with those microwaves that have the button down here where you press it to open the door. Um, and then it's also super easy to set the time and to mute it and unmute it. To to do that, you would just press the cancel button twice, and it mutes it. And see if I press it again. Oh, I have to clear it first. Hmm. And as you can see, it does not work. There we go. I swear it's worked all the previous times. Anyway, so that's how it sounds with the sounds on. I don't really like sounds though. I like being able to mute it, and it's so that was a really nice feature. I hope that was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.